How to transfer money from Western Union to Cash App. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to westernunion.com, and what you're gonna have to do next is simply create your free Western Union account. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the send money section, and then here you're gonna have to choose your country, then simply choose the amount of money that you want to transfer, and then choose bank account. Now after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then simply choose how would you like to pay. So as you can see, you have two different options. So you have pay online, and then you have pay cash in store. Now when you select pay online, as you can see, you can choose credit card, debit card, or bank account. So it's up to you. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on continue, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your bank account details. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your Cash App account, and then you're gonna have to simply link that same bank account to your Cash App account, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.